Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 4 screws on the sides of the base cover. Then remove the remaining 6 screws and pry the cover off the system. Unplug the battery cable. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, reconnect the cables and relatch it to the system. Install the screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover on the system and tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.